story, the Sangeeta Shri Sita Ram Kalyanam at the Lakshmi Temple in Seattle was celebrated for another time to remember the teachings of God. Let's take you over for the report.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम वेंकट किरण कुमार नारायणम। मैं भारत से आया हूँ। यहाँ पे मेरा भैया जी रहते हैं। ये श्वेता टेम्पल बहुत ही सुंदर और भक्ति, यहाँ पे जो भी आते हैं सभी को एक वाइब्रेशन मिलता है।
Here, disciples gathered to enjoy peaceful coexistence by entertaining each other with the love and appreciation of God.
Here in Sweta Temple, we are conducting a lot of activities, and they are providing a nice platform to perform our rituals and doing Parayanams like Srimad Ramayanam, Srimad Bhagavatam. So, in last 9 days, starting from Chaitra Sukla Padjami to Chaitra Sukla Navami, we have chanted complete Ramayanam from Balakanda to Yuddhakanda. So, Dikshit ji has conducted this event, and we have read complete Ramayana in 9 days from morning to evening.
Outside, the procession continued with candle lights and dancing and many more activities to show the love of this day.
So we are talking about the Ramanavami celebrations here. So we've been doing this Ramanavami celebration for the last 10 days. We've started with the Ramayana Parayanam for the last 10 days, and we did Rama Dolotsavam, and now we're doing, yesterday we had the Ramanavami celebrations. Today we are continuing with Nama Sankirtanam and Sita Rama Kalyanam today. It's all done through community support, and we've got musical artists coming from all over the United States. We've got a lot of devotees here, and everybody has been celebrating in the Sampradaya style of dancers and bhajans and all those things. It's a fun experience here.
My message is about the Bala Samskriti classes that are happening here. There are around 15 to 20 kids who come to every Saturday for a Bala Samskriti class, which is primarily on shlokas and activities, crafts, arts and crafts.
So in Valmiki Ramayana, the Valmiki Ramayana itself, it starts with all the 16 qualities of a man. Who can possess all the 16 qualities? And the answer is Rama. So the Ramayana is teaching and telling the story of the Rama who has all the 16 qualities a man should possess. So as part of this, we are celebrating the Ramanavami every year.
Today we are celebrating the Sri Ramanavami celebrations at LV Temple. It's a great opportunity for us to be part of this celebration, and it's mainly we are doing the celebration in a unique combination with the Agama Paddhati and Bhajana Sampradayam both mixed, and it's been like a great pleasure for us to be part of this Kalyanam from past 4-5 years. So we were always having the presence of God at this place, and where we are having full divine presence, and we are happily having know about what is meant by a Kalyanam, what is the good and what are all things that happens at a Kalyanam.
I come to the temple every time for the pleasure of listening to Dikshit ji. Today is Rama Kalyanam. There is a Rama Sankirtana is going on. Also, they will explain every bit of Kalyanam, why Rama needs to marry, and it's not for them, it's for us. So it's a lot of explanation which we don't know when we marry. We just marry because somebody says do this, that. But here we learn meaning behind the rituals. That's why I love to come here.
And that's a wrap from me on